Print without limits. Welcome to Crafter M6. Fast, flexible, smart. The perfect tool to build the future.
We designed it to be accessible to everyone. With an intuitive interface, you can take it out of the box and start printing with no prior experience. But for those who want to go further, it can also be reconfigured and adapted to your needs. Creating it with 3D printing was no coincidence. We wanted anyone to be able to upgrade it, repair it, and adapt it with their own machine, so it grows with you.
Its conveyor belt system allows for uninterrupted printing. Once a piece is finished, it is automatically ejected, and the next one begins immediately. No intervention, fully automatic.
Most 3D printers are built to print one thing, stop, and start again. But imagine automating the production process to create in a continuous flow without constant supervision. That's the Crafter M6.
Winner of the Best Printer of 2025 award at Spain's largest 3D printing event, the Crafter M6 is ready for takeoff. Join us, invest, create without limits.